Today I'm going to show you how to switch between buyer and seller mode on Fiverr. So ladies and gentlemen, you do have a Fiverr account, you want to offer services, but let's say you have a side hustle or a little gig on the side that you'd like to hire somebody for. Well, you can do this on Fiverr as well, but you need a seller's account. Sorry, not a seller's account, a buyer's account. And so on the top right hand side, you'll see your profile picture, and here you can click on switch to buying. Once you click on switch to buying, you'll be able to see this view over here. It says welcome to Fiverr. Here you can start exploring popular categories on Fiverr. So depending on who exactly you would like to hire, you can go ahead over here. Or you can use the search bar at the top. There are some categories as well, and you can go and then view whoever you need to view's profile and make a hire. If you'd like to switch back, there is a switch to selling icon right at the top, so you'll be able to go ahead and click on switch to selling. Or if you want to just go into profile, you'll be able to go into your main profile.